Give me 2 minutes, I'll fix your discipline. If your discipline were strong, you probably wouldn't even be watching this video. You already know what you need to do, but the problem is, you can't do it. Every time you make a plan, write notes, feel excited. For 2 or 3 days, everything goes well. Then suddenly, the flow breaks, and you fall back into the same cycle again. You start blaming yourself. Why can't I stay consistent? But understand one thing clearly, you are not the problem. Your environment, your habits, your daily system, all of these together are making you weaker every single day. The moment you wake up, you check your phone and your brain instantly gets a fast reward. Then when you sit down to work, your mind compares. This is boring, the phone is more interesting, and your focus ends before it even begins. This is where most people lose. But the game of discipline is different. It's not a game of willpower, it's a game of systems. Strong people are not those who ignore distractions. Strong people are those who remove distractions from their lives. So follow a simple rule. Whatever distracts you, don't let it stay around you. Keep your phone away. Turn off notifications. Keep your work clear and small. And the most powerful hack, short bursts of full focus. 25 to 30 minutes, no breaks, no distractions, just work. You think you need motivation for discipline, but the reality is the opposite. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So start even when you don't feel like it. Start when you feel lazy, because real discipline is taking action against your feelings. And one more rule, no big targets. Just choose one task every day. It can be small, but you have to complete it. No excuses, no delay, because when you complete the promises you make to yourself daily, not only do you get results, you change your identity. And once your identity changes, discipline comes automatically. This is the mindset we build here at Testrox. And now one last thing, don't just watch and scroll away. If this hit you even a little, hit subscribe to Testrox, like the video, and share it with someone who needs this push. And in the comments, don't just write anything, write this: I don't break promises to myself anymore. Because this time, it's not just a comment, it's a commitment.